don't worry. You go to the Schumann running track, bridge number 27, and you tap double times right there. So you select menu, GPS run service, joystick location mode. Alright, for Pokemon Go. Now we go to the Pokemon app. It's right there. Let it open. And you'll see that we've got every single facility. Not every single facility that teleport or something in this, but you can move anywhere with using this joystick. Then you can set another location, teleport back. So it's quite a good thing. Make sure you have the flight GPS right there on. Otherwise this thing, the joystick and the flight GPS logo would vanish. It will hang for some time in the start, but don't worry, it's all safe for your device. Of course, using Pokemon Go and this app would let you, actually. Currently I'm not software here, because I'd already been here. So, how to remove the software? You tap Pokestop, spin it like this.